In this video, I will guide you on how to do high screen recording quality with OBS. OBS is a screen recording device which you can use on your laptop. And to enjoy this, guys, you need to watch this video to the end. Open the OBS app on your device. Now that it has opened, go and click on settings icon here. Then go and click on output. Go to displays output mode. If it is on simple, make sure you click on it and select advanced. Now that I've done that, now click on recording here. Then scroll down to recording format here, click on it. Whatever that is here, make sure you select MKV. The reason for selecting MKV is that if in the course of recording and your system crashes or the software crashes, you'll be able to recover whatever you've done up to this place before it crashed. Now, once you've done that, come to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, then scroll down under recording. Make sure that this button is enabled. Automatic remains to MP4. Make sure it is enabled. Once it's enabled, then go back to the output again, click on it. Now scroll down to video encoding. This encoding settings, then click on rate control. Once you click on this arrow, you have different options here. Click on CRF and select 20 or 23 here. So anything less than 20 is not good, so I prefer 20. Now that I've done that, now go to under recording setting, come to video encoder, click on this arrow and select this X264. Make sure you select X264. Now you've made two settings here. Now come back to video again here. Now make sure that the base camera resolution is 3840 by 2160 and output scale resolution is 3840 by 2160. Make sure the two together are the same. Then click on apply. Then after that, click on OK. So with this, guys, you'll be able to set your OBS recording for perfect recording, irrespective of device you are using. That's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, you can subscribe. Please subscribe for more updates like this.